Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to, what's that, fishing pond?
I don't know what it's called. A park.
A park. So we go there and first time rock hunting. Magmutya tayo, mutya hunting. Sana makakita tayo ngayon. So let's go! 4:51. Hi guys, and we here now guys in the lake. It's a small lake.
People fishing.
Yeah, people fishing there.
Are you allowed to
In there. Here is. Magmutya hunting tayo for the first time. Here's RJ.
go to that
Together my anak. Because daddy is hurt his knee.
What?
Daddy is hurt his knee to walk, so we just ask. Okay, let's go.
Go to that side of like. What's that for?
Look at there. Go in there in the rock. Ooh.
Look at.
Let's see
Look
here.
at that.
Now, let's see in here, RJ. Hey, look at in here. Look at this here.
Oh, it's
Nice pond. Fishing pond. Oh no, it's a high tide in here. High tide, RJ.
Is this salty?
No,
It's just the lake.
have no rocks in here.
Is it a closed lake?
Huh?
Is it a closed lake?
Ay, not na.
You don't know?
Here is the.
Like, does the water go anywhere?
You not see here, RJ.
Wait, look at the rocks.
It's so small rocks. Here is the view. Oh, no rocks in here, RJ. But in here, RJ is so big. Have fish in here? Look like
You
a
think
high
they have any sea
tide.
glass?
I'm not seeing.
You think they have sea glass?
Look at that. Guys, have a lot of fish in there. But very small. Ang liit-liit nila. Yan. Ang daming tao. Parang mayroong party dito. Ayan. High tide now, RJ. This a small. What? What you found?
Found this rock. Let me try it.
Okay. Okay.
You gonna skip it?
Yeah. Okay, go.
Can I like toss it?
Go throw. Far away.
Throw?
Yeah. There you go. Be careful. Here have mini rock here, but we cannot tell.
What about this rock? Is it worth anything?
Okay, go. Go throw.
What is that?
Fish. Okay, go.
Oh.
Okay, go. Throw now. Okay. Oh, don't do that. You not throw. You cannot pound, RJ. I just. What's this? I found in here. What's this black stone, RJ? Don't do that. You make dirty your shoes. You're making wet now.
Give me.
No, just
No, let me hold
just clean up.
it. Let me hold it.
Here. And RJ found
See, like I lost my foot.
yeah. RJ found for fishing. Bet wash RJ.
No, black stone.
Oh,
Watch it. Where's the
there
water
is for
from?
fishing. Look like we need to throw the rod, RJ.
And then it's in my pocket.
That's daddy in there, or no? That the black. Oh, what's that? That's in. What's this rock? I not know what's this rock. Ay, if we can find mutya ng tubig, RJ.
Found all the stuff from here. So probably some more stuff here.
Maybe have here. High tide na. We find here. Looking here. Okay guys, we are now in the other side. Doon kami kanina doon. So punta naman kami dito. What's in here? Oh no.
There's nothing there. Where are you looking? I think they got some glass here.
Careful. It's high
go under
tide.
there.
High tide now, RG. We go here. Happening. View. Wala kaming nakita. This. Yeah, it's so bright sun here. Aji, be careful.
I'm going back to the car.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
Because I don't. Because
Huh?
I'm done. See you later.
You done?
See you later.